Gond painting. The word Gond derives its name from the word Kond, which means green mountain. The art used to be practiced by a tribal community that goes by the same name as the art. Gond art of this tribe is considered to be primarily from Madhya Pradesh. It is also popular in regions like Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, and Odisha. Dating back to more than 1400 years ago, the Gond tribe has painted and carved art on the walls of caves which all belong to the Mesolithic period. The Gonds believed that viewing good images brought in good luck. Main subject of this painting is nature, daily lives of the people. The mahua tree is an important subject of this painting. It considered the tree of life. Birds, animals also depicted in this painting.